Hi students, good morning to everyone. So now we continue the same chapter 5, exercise 5.1. So already we completed up to 5 questions. So today we have to see fifth question. The same product, only one difference, we need to substitute instead of variables for A, B and C. So three variables are there in a question. So we have to substitute instead of A as -1, B as 2 and C as 1. So after multiplicating a final solution, we need to substitute instead of variable, we have to substitute this constant and finding the value. So the first question, 4AB into 3A minus 2B. Already we discussed how to multiply this monomial to binomial. So directly we move on to the solution. So 4AB multiple with 3A minus 2B. Okay, so this monomial multiple with this binomial. So first we have to take this monomial 4AB to 3A. So 4AB first multiple with 3A. Next this is plus and minus. So plus into minus you get minus. Again this 4AB is multiple with 2B. 4AB is multiple with 2B. So just one which implies. Now first you concentrate the number. So 4 3s are 12. And then here A. So 2. So A is there. So 1 plus 1. A to the power 2 and then B. A square B. So already we multiplied that symbol. So minus. Now you multiply the 4 2s are 8. A B power 2. Here B 1 plus 1 2. So now you get the product, the value 12A square B minus 8A B square. So here in our question we need to take over A is equal to -1, B is equal to 2, C equal to 1. Here what are the variables are present? A and B. So we need to take A is equal to -1, B is equal to 2. So just we need to write this product as it is same. 12A square B minus 8A B square. So what we need to do means we need to written in a multiplicative form. So 12 into this A square can be written in the form -1 square into this B 2. So this is one of the term. So 12A square B can be written as 12 as it is 12. Instead of A I just substitute -1 and power 2 I will take that same. B instead of B I will take 2. Okay, so 12A square B is in multiplication, it is written in the form. So here minus. And next 8 into -1 into 2 square. So 8AB square. So now we need to multiply as it is same. So 12 minus into minus. So this one can be written as -1 into -1 into 2. So 8 into -1 into 2 into 2. So inside of the bracket everything is in a multiplication. So just you observe the symbol. If all plus means there is no problem, you can take it as plus. If any other minus, you want to count it. It is in even number, you put plus. Odd number, you take a minus. So minus 2 minus is that is minus into minus, it become plus. So 12 ones are 12, 12 and 2 24. So plus 24 we got it, and minus here minus 8 2s are 16 32 minus 32. So 12. So this minus and minus is in product. Minus into minus you get plus. So plus 32. So finally you get 56 is the answer. So first you have to multiply this monomial to binomial. You get this product 12A square B minus 8AB square. Next you got it the value 56. Okay, so just we have to check over this question also. Without multiplication, I just check with this question. 4 into minus 1 into 2. Okay, and this one 3 into a. So this is 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 2. So what we get? We get minus 8. 3 into minus 1, we get minus 3. So minus 3 and then minus 4. So we get minus 8 minus 7. Sorry. This is minus 8 and this is in a product into minus 7. So minus into minus, it become plus. 8 7s are 56. So by using normal product, we get the same plus 56. Another question. 5a minus 2b into 3b plus 4c. Here the two product terms are in a binomial. So 5a minus 2b is one of the binomial and 3b plus 4c is one of the binomial. We need to multiple this two binomial term, and also here it present a, b, c, three variables are there. First we find out the product. Solution. First we need to find out the product. So 5a minus 2b multiple with the 3b plus 4c. So you can take either which one. So you have take this to this or this to this, whatever it is. So already I told, first I take this 5a. This 5a is multiple with this two term 3b plus 4c. Okay, and then minus 2b is there. Minus 2b is multiple with the 3b plus 4c. So now one by one we need to multiple. So first this 5a is multiple with the 3b. 5a into 3b plus into plus plus 5a into 4c. Next here we need to multiple this minus 2b to this two terms. So minus into plus, you get minus. So 2b into 3b. Minus into plus, it become minus. And remaining 2b into 4c. So we multiple all the term separately. So now as usual you have to find out the product. So 5 3s are 15, a into b, ab, plus 5 4s are 20, ac, and then minus 6 b power 2, and then minus 8 BC. Okay, so here AB, AC, B square, BC, all the terms are unlike terms, so we can't add or subtract. So directly we take over the values. A equal to minus 1, B is equal to 2, C equal to 1. So first you write the product. 15AB plus 20AC minus 6B square minus 8BC is equal to, I just take over the square bracket, 15 into, what is mean by A? That is minus 1. Minus 1 into, what is B? 2. So I completed the first term 15AB. Next you put this plus. Next 20, as it is 20 because that is constant. AC minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1. Next minus 6 b square. Minus 6 into b square is nothing but b into b. That is 2 into 2. Minus 8 bc. Minus 8 into, what is the value of B? 2. What is the value of C? 1. So now we need to multiple. Here plus into minus, minus only 1. So minus 15 into 1, 15. So we get minus 30. Here also plus of minus 20. 6 2s are 12, 24. Minus 24. And then minus 16. Finally we get minus 30, minus 20, minus 24, minus 16. So you get 24, 16. So these are all everything in a minus, so you should add. So 30 plus 20, 50, 74, 84 is equal to 90 minus 90. So once you substitute that same value here, 5 into minus 1, it become minus 5. Okay, minus 2 into 2, it become 4. So minus 5 minus 4, you get minus 9 in a one condition. So here 3 into b. So 3 into b is nothing but 3 2s are 6. 4c. 4 into c, that is 1, 4. 6 plus 4, 10 into 10. So 10 into minus 9, you get minus 90. So without product, directly you substitute the value here, you get same minus 90. So next number D, 1 by 2a minus 3b whole square. So directly we move on to the multiplication. So how we can write this? 1 by 2a minus 3b whole square. This one can be written as 1 by 2a minus 3b into 1 by 2a minus 3b. Okay, so now normal multiplication. 1 by 2, a is multiple with 1 by 2a minus 3b, and this minus 3b is multiple with 1 by 2a minus 3b. So now we can take separately. So 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a, that is one set, plus into minus, minus. So 1 by 2a into 3b, another one. So minus 3b into 1 by 2a, minus into minus, plus 3b square, 3 3s are 9, b square. So directly I take over because single only. So 3b into 3b, I take 9b square directly. So now directly I have to multiply it. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How you take it? 1 into 1, you get 1. 2 into 2, you get 4. So 1 by 4. A into a, that is a to the power 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into 3. So it becomes 1 into 3, 3. So 3 by 2, a into b, you get ab. And here also the same, minus 3 by 2 ab plus 9 b square. Again, how we can sort out it? 1 by 4 a square. So minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 6 by 2 ab plus 9 b square. So 1 by 4 a square minus 3ab plus 9b square. So now we need to substitute what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So a is nothing but minus 1, b is nothing but 2. So we take a equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2. Question 1 by 4 a square minus 3ab plus 9 is equal to 1 by 4 a square we can written as minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 into 2, 3ab plus 9 into 2 whole square. So minus into minus, it become plus. So 1 into 1 by 4, it become plus 1 by 4. Okay, so minus of 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 9, 36. 1 by 4 plus 6 plus 36. So what we have to do? We need to take over. So here is the denominator is 1. You just multiple 1 plus 6 into 4, it is 24. And then 36 into 4, what you get? 6 4s are 24, and then 4 3s are 12, 144 divided by 4. So now we need to take over 1 plus 25 plus 169. So 169 divided by 4. Okay, the final value is 169 by 4. So just I have to recheck it. That is 1 by 2 into a minus 3b I just for the reference I just substitute 1 by 2. Instead of a I take over minus 1, minus 3 into b I take 2 whole square. So without make over the product, I just substitute the value before the product. So minus into plus, it become minus 1 by 2, and this is 3 2s are 6. Okay, that is minus 6, and then whole square. So if we need to take over the cross multiplication, 12. So minus 12 minus 1, it become minus 13 by 2 whole square. So what is the value of 13 square? It is 169, and if you square the value of 2, you get 4. So without product, directly we substitute the value of a and b, you get 169 by 4. After the product, we get the same answer, 169 by 4. So you have to see this video very carefully and do this sum as a homework. Question number 6, B, E, F. You do it as a homework. And question number 7, question number 8. So 7 and 8 is also the same method. 8 is normal multiplication. You don't need to substitute anything. But 7, you multiple and you have to replace, instead of x, y, you need to replace the given constant value. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.